welcome back to the channel. This video is a less than 3 minutes video on how I edited my YouTube channel banner. Basically, this is not a tutorial, it's just a rundown, or let's just call it a walkthrough on how I did mine. If you want a tutorial, please tell me on the comment section so I'll be able to do a tutorial video. I'm not going to put a voiceover on that all part of the video. I'm just going to allow you to relax and enjoy the process.
Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life.
Thank you for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button, like this video and drop a comment. Thank you.